Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your time go faster. Our perception of time is incredibly flexible, often speeding up or slowing down based on our engagement. When you are deeply involved in something you love, hours can feel like mere minutes. We'll explore several practical strategies to help you shift your perception and make your days feel more dynamic and less drawn out. One powerful way to make time fly is by entering a flow state. This happens when you are completely absorbed in an activity, losing all sense of time and self. Think of a musician playing an instrument or an athlete in a game. To achieve this, choose tasks that are just challenging enough, set clear objectives, and eliminate all interruptions for at least 30 minutes. Novelty plays a significant role in how we perceive time. When every day feels the same, time can drag. Introducing new experiences, like learning a new language or visiting a new park, creates distinct memories. These unique moments make your life feel richer and fuller, and in retrospect, the period seems to have passed more quickly because it was packed with fresh events. Finally, your mindset profoundly impacts time perception. Practicing mindfulness helps you appreciate the present, making moments feel more substantial. Focusing on positive aspects and setting small, achievable goals, perhaps 3 to 5 daily, can create a sense of accomplishment and forward momentum. This positive outlook can make your days feel more productive and, surprisingly, pass by more swiftly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.